Greetings lovelies, hi, it's Emmy. Welcome back to another Emmy How-to. Today I'll be sharing a recipe with you. So this recipe was inspired by Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which is celebrating its 30th birthday this year. Can you believe it? 30 years of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I remember being a kid, my dad bringing it home, and I would see the commercials, and I would imagine that each little piece of cereal was created by those Cinnamon Toast Crunch bakers. Do you guys remember the bakers? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You know, the three guys? Yeah. Product of the 80s. Be sure to check out these other awesome YouTube channels and check out their cinnamon toast inspired recipes as well. So my recipe is really super easy and really fun, and it's a Mexican chocolate shake recipe. So really easy, you only need a handful of ingredients. So yeah, let's go in the kitchen and I'll show you how it's done. Alrighty, we're going to start off by putting the Cinnamon Toast Crunch into a blender and just grind until it's finely pulverized. Once you've got your cereal ground into a powder, then you can add your milk. I end up using about 2/3 of a cup of milk, but feel free to adjust this amount to your liking. Add a good pinch of salt and give everything a good whiz. Next, we're going to add our chocolate ice cream. I'm using an ice cream scooper that's 1/3 of a cup, so 3 nice big scoops. Then blend everything until everything is well incorporated. Pour into a glass and add a big straw and enjoy. Alright, let's give it a taste. Here we go. So good. Smooth with a little bit of a body to it, nice and thick, really chocolatey flavor with a really great kind of hint of cinnamon, but not overpowering at all. Delicious. It's breakfast and dessert. I mean, how could you go wrong? I chose to use almond milk for that little bit of Mexican horchata inspiredness, but feel free to substitute any kind of milk you want. Low fat, skim, cow's milk, whatever you want. Make it your own. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what your favorite milkshake is, and what do you eat with a milkshake? Do you have them straight up, or do you have them with a meal? I want to know. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you go check out these other channels and check out their Cinnamon Toast Crunch inspired recipes as well. Alright, thanks you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Toodaloo, take care, bye! The beauty of a bento box, and any lunch box for that matter, is that it's endlessly customizable. So you can customize this to your or your child's taste. Don't like ham? Don't put ham. Don't like cheese? Don't put cheese. Put any snacks your kids will like. Science is cool. A lesson in optics. Upside down Emmy.